Hi, my name is Jill and it is my pleasure to welcome you to your Pilates study journey with Drummond Education. And a thank you for choosing Drummond Education as your training provider. At Drummond, our Level 3 Diploma in Teaching Mat Pilates is internationally accredited by the government-approved exam body, and this is recognised all over the world. The certificate you will achieve is awarded by YMCA Awards or Active IQ Awards. When deciding who to take your Pilates training with, it's important to understand the delivery of the course and which repertoire will be taught. A frequently asked question is, should my Pilates training be with a training provider who teaches the traditional classical repertoire or the modern contemporary repertoire? At Drummond, we believe you should be both. You should start with a full understanding of the traditional classical repertoire, but you should also understand how to adapt and vary your exercises in a modern contemporary way for your client's body. We believe you need to fully understand the traditional classical work so that you are able to do this. At the end of the day, if you don't know what you are changing or adapting from, how can you truly teach the Pilates method? All of our tutors at Drummond are classically trained in the fully comprehensive Pilates system, as well as being teachers and practitioners of the Pilates method for many years. We believe that to adapt and modify exercises for your clients, you should firstly know and understand the full repertoire as part of the system. Then you can take all of your knowledge and skills into the adaptations, into contemporary changes and into your modifications. Our tutors will bring you this knowledge. So whether you go on to become a fully comprehensive teacher, or you decide to stay with your MAP diploma, or you progress to reformer, you will understand the wider system and the magic that Pilates brings from our course tutors. Drummond Education's course does exactly this. Our course is built with the lineage of knowledge from the classical schools introduced into the UK. Using the traditional repertoire and developed with the Drummond clinical team, it meets the needs of modern day clients and their ever-growing needs. We offer 3 study modes, all of which lead to the same certification. Nothing is missed out whichever study option you choose. It is just a preference on how you would like to learn. On our online study option, you can self-study from our online program, attend live streaming tutorials with our tutors, as well as practice days with face-to-face attendance. This is a full online program with video lectures, downloadable books and resources, as well as a live comment box where you can ask questions, get very quick answers, see other students' questions and enjoy measures of your learning as you progress. You can log in and out whenever you choose. You can watch the lectures over and over again. You can stop and start the lectures as you choose. This route is suitable if you have a good Pilates class background and you want to work to your own timetable and of course are self-driven. You need to be able to motivate yourself to action plan and make yourself accountable for getting your work done. This method of study isn't suitable for everybody. Whilst it is the most cost effective, if you struggle with completing learning on your own, consider one of our blended options. We have 2 blended options. One is taught face-to-face with attendance at one of our venues in Scotland or England. Or you can get the benefit of being taught, but you attend via a live streaming option through Zoom from the comfort of your own home. We always recommend the blended face-to-face attendance if you can do that. You can't beat being in the room with other students. And also, our tutors who can work with you on all aspects of technique and teaching. With our blended options, as well as attendance, you also get access to our full online study programme. So between the attendance days, you can also study and restudy at your own pace at your own timetable at home. You get the best of both worlds. If you're unsure of which route to pick, why not give the office a call? On Monday to Friday between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. on 0203 326 3009. Or of course, you can drop us an email on admin@drummondeducation.com. Even if you just want to chat or ask for career advice, do call us or contact us. At Drummond, we have a unique support structure. All of our students are registered for their course to complete it within a year. This can be extended to 18 months if requested within the year, or we can pause it if needed. We recognise that life can throw you curveballs, and you may need time out of your studies, or you may need to extend your studies slightly. We also offer a unique additional support system. This means that all students who complete the course also pass their course with our support. You can seek additional support at any time during your studies. We can arrange one-to-one tutorials over Zoom. We can answer questions online or over the telephone, whichever communication method you prefer. You can also attend your module days more than once in your registration year, even after you've passed the course. We often have students who drop back into the course as they have been teaching because they then have more questions and want to refresh on some of their learning. There is no additional charge for any extra support. We believe it is our job to motivate you to learn. We take you on your journey and support you to reach your full potential as a Pilates teacher. You can speak to a tutor in our office during office hours at any time. The course has specific assessments. This is a theory paper on anatomy and physiology, a practical teaching session with a programme, a portfolio of assignments and worksheets. You sit the theory questions online in your own time, and you can sit these open book. You can send in a video of your practical teaching, or you can attend our assessment days with other students to practice your teaching and be observed by our assessors. If you refer any of your assessments at any time, you just take them again. We don't charge anything extra for any assessment resits. We are here to give you the best learning experience and support you to achieve. One of the questions our students often ask is about age at starting study, and of course fitness levels. You can start your studies at any age from 16 onwards. We keep our teaching groups really small and have students from all ages and all walks of life, even in their 70s. We have trained over 10,000 students for over 45 years. You don't need to worry about how fit you are or if you have specific learning needs. You just need to bring your passion for Pilates and your desire to share that with others to start your teaching journey. Book your place now on one of our courses using our website shopping cart or call us on 0203 326 3009 or email us on admin@drummondeducation.com or just press the contact button on the webpage.